Welcome back to the shop, friends. I know this is a woodworking channel, but on occasion I like to share information about me you probably don't know. This is one of those videos. I spent many years of my life riding bicycles. Not professionally, but for fun. I was the little kid racing down the streets of the neighborhood. Then the big kids seeking to defy gravity, the college student racing in triathlons, and the professional student riding the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains. Well, my kids recently asked for a bike trail. That was exciting and brought back many memories. Fast forward to today, of course I built them a trail. Guess what? I'm enjoying it as much as they are. Today, I'm taking a little break from woodworking and I thought you might like to join me for a ride. Your views motivate my woodworking and beyond. To film this video, I had to recruit a film crew. Hit that thumbs up for my brother Blake and kids Carmen, Tinley, and Brock.
Subscribe. 3, 2, 1.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.